So in order to create a new project, you go to Project Library, and see this little press button right here. Gotta press that button. And you name your project right there, what you want it to be. So it's gonna be called example. EX. Good enough. So you'll see right here is how long your video is going to be once you add in clips. Now this is the name of your project, and this is something I'll get into later. So this is a tutorial I made earlier that was kind of slow, so I'm making a new one. Say I don't want to start off at the beginning. I want to start off right here. I press and hold my mouse, and I drag it over to where I want to finish. Say I want it to be done there, but if I make a mistake and I let go, you see how the mouse has those two arrows? You just make sure the mouse has that. You press and hold. And you can make it longer or shorter. So once you're all done editing it, you drag, so press down on the mouse. And you want to make sure that green line, that shows where you're going to drop it. This right here shows how much of the clip it's going to show. So say you want to make a title screen, which you probably should have done before. Say I want to do a simple one. I just drag and drop. See that green line right there? That's where it shows it's going to put it. Now this will pop up. This is a bunch of backgrounds. So now I'm going to go imovie, imovie, good enough. Now you click away when you're all done typing, and it'll show up right there. To see what you have written, you can go right here, and it'll show you what you have written. So then, if you want to add a transition, you can go to this part right here, and it says transitions. One of my favorites is down here, it's right here, is cube. You drag, and the green line's in the middle, which is where I want to put it, and you drop. Say I want to do another clip, I can go swap, which is another transition, drag, and the green line's where I want to put it, so I drop. You can only have one transition at a time. Say you now you want to have this part in the movie. And like I said before, you click and hold to where you want. And then the little green line's where I want it, so I let go. And it's there. So now I want to make an end screen. I want to make an end, so you can go text or titles, yeah, titles. And I want to put this right here. Oh, wrong way. Did not mean to do that. Whatever, I'll fix that later. Drag and drop. Now I want to do an underwater theme again, so I'll just click on that. And THE space E and and on this side I want to say E and D. And so like I said before, this shows you 35S, which means 35 seconds total. And you press the space bar, and it'll start playing. And it'll just play through. If you want to see it full screen, you press the Command and G button at the same time. And see how it said iMovie, and this is the movie. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you have any comments asking me, and if you want to put a song in the background, you can just like drag and drop and drop it where you want it to be, and it'll say set right there, and then you can hear it. So that's pretty much it. If you have any more questions, just make a comment and ask the question. It saves automatically too, so you don't need to worry about clicking a save button like on the Windows. So that's pretty much it. Bye.